This is going to be another short video for you. It's a quick collision repair that came through my shop. 2017 Dodge Charger had some front end damage. Had to replace the front bumper, some of the grills, and the hood. I can't remember the paint code off the top of my head, but it was that bright red color code. It's a pretty straightforward video, guys. Pretty straightforward repair. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully you guys tune in to the very end. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. We're this close again to 500. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. Drop a comment down below. Share this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, guys. Later.